Autumn brings crisp mornings, golden evenings, and one big driving challenge: low sun glare. It can blind you in seconds and make the road ahead almost impossible to see. Here are 5 smart tips to stay safe. Tip 1. Use sunglasses and your sun visor. Keep a good pair of polarized sunglasses in your car and use your sun visor when glare is at its worst. Together, they cut down the harsh light and protect your eyes. More tips coming up. First, low sun can be tricky to deal with, but I'd love to hear from you. What's your top tip for handling glare on the road? Please share it in the comments below. Your experience might help another driver stay safe. And if you're finding these tips useful, don't forget to subscribe. The Drive Smart campaign is just one part of our channel, where we cover lots of safety topics to keep you confident and prepared every day. Tip 2. Keep your windscreen crystal clear. Streaks, dirt or smears can magnify glare. Regularly clean both the inside and outside of your windscreen for maximum clarity. Tip 3. Adjust speed and following distance. When glare limits your view, slow down and leave extra space between you and the car ahead. More distance means more time to react. Tip 4. Use your headlights. Even in daylight, dipped headlights make you more visible to other drivers when the sun is low on the horizon. Tip 5. Plan your journey around the sun. If you can, adjust travel times to avoid driving directly into sunrise or sunset. A small change in timing can make a big difference in safety. Low autumn sun is beautiful, and it doesn't have to be dangerous. With these 5 tips, you can reduce glare, protect your vision, and stay safe on the road. Drive safe and stay smart, and make sure you're subscribed for more weekly Drive Smart tips. If you found this helpful, don't miss our tyre pressure video. It's packed with advice to keep you safe and prepared on the road this autumn.